Hello, my name is Rawad. I have 2 BS and 2 master degrees, 15 years of experience in data mining and business intelligence. I decided to join Careerera to boost my career in data scientist, which is facing a shortage in skilled professionals in the market. So I encourage you to join because the Careerera has good instructors and very well trained and professionals with many years of experience in the market. So and their schedule is flexible. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Itzaf for his support.